Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by locating the stubborn file and confirming you have admin rights, because forced deletion modifies protected areas. Once found, open Terminal now. This gives you direct control versus using Finder. Make sure to note the exact path and escape spaces or wrap the path in quotes. If the file sits in trash, emptying normally first is faster. Otherwise, proceed. You'll use rm with caution. That command permanently removes files, so type carefully and verify the path before hitting enter. Now you'll run sudo rm rref to force delete. This removes files recursively and ignores protections. Type sudo so the command runs as root, then rm rref in the quoted path. Do not omit quotes if the name has spaces. Once done, press enter and supply your admin password. Terminal won't show characters as you type. If the file is locked, first clear the immutable flag with sudo chflags rnouchk on the path, and then repeat the rm command. This two-step approach releases locks and deletes reliably. Finish by verifying the file is gone using ls on the parent folder or checking Finder, because confirmation prevents accidental repeated actions. If you see permission denied or resource busy, reboot into recovery and use terminal there, or unmount the volume first. That bypasses running processes. Make sure to run first aid in disk utility when file system errors appear, then retry. If things still fail, stop and ask for help. Further forceful steps can risk data loss, so proceed carefully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.